Hello guys, welcome back to Cake County. Today I'm showing you how to make two incredibly refreshing summer dessert using just 4 ingredients. Okay, so first of all, you're going to go in with 2 pounds of mango into a blender, and to the mango you're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. So please make sure when blending your mango that your mangoes are frozen. Okay, you cannot use soft mangoes for this. Okay, so you go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then you're going to cover and then you're going to blend this. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to make number one, the mango sorbet, and the second is the mango coconut bars. Okay, so after blending, you're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract, and I'm using the Amazon store brand. Okay, so now after that you're going to blend for another 1 minute, and then it is time for you to transfer to the freezer. So now you're going to use whatever mold that you like. So you're going to pour that into a pan or into any mold that you like. Then you're going to go ahead and transfer it to the freezer for an hour or two. And I think for this very particular recipe, I left mine in the freezer for about 2 hours. Okay, so after that, so now that's for the mango sorbet. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the mango coconut bars. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of sweetened coconut flakes into the 2 ice cream mold containers. Then to that I'm going to go ahead and add the mango puree on top of it. I'm going to go ahead and smoothen out the puree, and then I will transfer everything into the freezer for 2 hours. Okay, so after that guys, this delicious mango sorbet and the mango coconut bars are ready to serve. So this recipe is very easy. I only used 4 ingredients. I used 2 pounds of frozen mango chunks, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of lemon juice, and 1 cup of lemon extract. Okay, so that's all you need. You just pour everything into the blender, and then you're going to blend it until it is smooth. Then you're going to pour everything in the pan, transfer to the freezer, and then you have your delicious and very easy summer treat. Okay, so guys, if you like this very simple recipe, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the Cake County, leave me your comment in the comment section below. Which do you prefer? Do you prefer the mango sorbet, or do you prefer the mango coconut bars? Either way, you can never go wrong. Just 4 ingredients, and this tastes very good. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.